Azumami here.
And I'm Kenzie from One Kids Life.
And we have just checked into our suite at the Star Lux Hotel in Wildwood. This is awesome. This is
amazing.
A property owned by Maurice Pierce. They're hosting us
3 rooms.
So it's a suite. This is a pull-out couch sofa bed. You've got a full kitchen area. Everything here is really retro, I would call it, right?
Microwave.
Just like Wildwood. We've got a fridge, a freezer, lots of cabinet space. It's awesome. Oh, and of course,
They also have
lava
a
lamp.
super cool lava lamp.
A lava lamp. And then let's check out the bedroom, and you can tell everything's a little groovy. We've got a TV in here. We've got an iron, a safe, everything you need.
Well, he's not finished yet.
Yeah. Okay. Well, yes.
The drawers have
space
these
to
cool
unpack.
ovals in them to open up.
lights.
Oh, I love the reading lights.
Bright
Look at that.
reading lights.
So this is so nice, and it's really affordable to stay at. $200 and like about $250 a night, depending on your deal, what you get. So great price. The bathroom I love. They even have a split door for the toilet area, which you can take a peek at. So you've got your sink, shower, tub, but there's an additional door that you can close going into the toilet area, which is nice for large families when everyone's staying in a room. And then, of course,
Another TV out here.
another TV, you can watch a movie. So much room when you're at the beach. You have so much stuff.
Cool lights.
What's really cool with Starbucks, there's a hot tub, a swimming pool. We are 1 block from the beach. We are right by the Wildwood sign. Starbucks has lots of mini golf courses. Take a peek, guys. It's going to be a little loud out here because we are in Wildwood. We've got a view of the ocean. Here's the beach. And there's the
a
mini
golf course right next to us.
and as you can see the classic Wildwood signs with all the beach balls. So we're at the beach, guys, and they've got free bikes that you can use every morning. They even provide
Boogie boards, beach chairs.
They provide helmets for the kids too, so even though we didn't bring our helmets, the kids can use their helmets, ride the bikes, boogie boards, and beach chairs that you can carry with you up to the beach, which I love, and a continental breakfast every day. So guys, we love Wildwood, and we can't wait to hit all the attractions and water park and amusement rides, roller coasters on Maurice Pierce. So thanks, Starlux, for having us.